In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and earn more GPU hours for Midjourney. If you want to stretch your fast time and keep creating without interruptions, here's a simple plan that works with what's built into Midjourney. First, you can earn extra fast GPU hours directly on the website. Look for tasks like image rankings, surveys, and community ideas. Image rankings can be competitive, but if you finish in the top 2,000 for the day, you'll get 1 extra fast hour. Surveys are more predictable and grant extra fast hours when completed. Keep in mind you must have an active subscription to receive and use any awarded time, and those bonus hours expire 30 days after they're granted. To track what you've earned and when it expires, open Manage Subscription, then check the usage details section under Purchased and Awarded. Next, pick a plan that matches how you work. All plans renew monthly or yearly unless you cancel. Basic includes 3.3 hours per month. Standard gives you 15, Pro gives you 30, and Mega gives you 60. The key difference is Relax Mode. Standard, Pro, and Mega include unlimited image generations in Relax Mode, which means you can create as much as you like without using fast time. The trade-off is that images take longer to generate. Pro and Mega also include unlimited SD video generations in Relax Mode. When speed isn't essential, switch to Relax Mode. On Standard, Pro, and Mega, Relax Mode uses unlimited relax time instead of your fast time. Prompts go into a queue and can take anywhere from 0 to 30 minutes depending on system load. Note that permutation prompts, the repeat parameter, and the legacy max upscale aren't available in Relax Mode. A good habit is to queue larger batches or explorations in Relax and save fast for time-sensitive work. You can control GPU speed per job, set a default in the Imagine bar settings, then override it whenever you need by adding or fast, relax, or turbo to a single prompt. In Discord, you can switch modes with fast, relax, or turbo. This lets you protect your fast time and only spend it when it truly matters. Be careful with turbo. It's up to 4 times faster than fast, but it burns double the fast time per image. It works with Midjourney version 5 and later. If turbo GPUs aren't available or you're on an older version, the job falls back to fast. Finally, if you run out of fast time before your renewal, you can purchase more from your managed subscription page. That's it. Earn a little, stretch a lot, and create smarter with the right mode at the right moment.